I've had Mrs. Winter for organic chemistry, and I think that she's one of the most phenomenal teachers I've ever had as a high school student. Her way of teaching is just incredible because she will explain things not only by the book, but by how you'd want to understand them. So if I had any questions, she wouldn't go to her notes or to her books, but she would look me in the eye and wonder why I have this question. And she'd figure out what she could tell me based off of her knowledge that would satisfy my way of thinking. Because not everyone, she knows that not everyone has the same way of thinking. And so she attends to every single student, and every single student is special to her. And not only are we her students, but as we create a relationship with her through learning organic chemistry, she gets to know us, and it makes us feel so much more comfortable as a student to learn from someone who will give us that comfort. And you don't find that in very many classes, especially big university classes where the teacher's hundreds of feet away from you and you probably barely even know his name or her name. The process that Mrs. Winter has taught me through organic chemistry has changed the way I've studied, I would say forever. It's going to be something that I always will look back at, because when you find a teacher who really gives you what you want as a student, you stick with that way of thinking, and I think that her methods are going to stick with me forever. And I can't say that about very many teachers I've had.